coffee right now. It's vintage. Small elevator. A. Day of fixtures. Come on in.
Good. I've got the inside. Thank you.
You're welcome. It's pretty small.
We made it.
Yep. Maximum 7 people.
Oh, so we're safe?
Yes. We have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, perfect.
In one half.
That's fine. Make sure it's the safety reasons, right? It's a small elevator. It's a historic building.
Doesn't look like a historic elevator.
Yeah, it's modern. It's modern, that's why. And your 3rd floor. Have a good day. Going up or down? You want to come in?
Thank you.
Just come in. It's going to go up and then it's going to go down. These scenes are small. It's an old elevator. Not sure what brand is this. They're your fixtures. Cancel my call, gee. Wouldn't close the door. Not sure the brand. Come on in. There's one more person can come in. This team's so small. It's only 7 people maximum. 544 kilograms. It's nice and cool in here.